Welcome back to our channel. Our topic for today is Indian tax structure, direct and indirect taxes. Introduction. The tax system of India is one of the most important sources of revenue for the government. Tax is a compulsory payment made by individuals, businesses, and organizations to the government without receiving any direct benefit in return. The government uses tax revenue for public welfare and development activities such as education, healthcare, defense, transport, infrastructure, and social security programs. The taxation system in India is such that the taxes are levied by the central government and the state governments. Some minor taxes are also levied by the local authorities such as the municipality and the local governments. India's tax structure is broadly divided into two categories: direct taxes, levied directly on income or wealth, and indirect taxes, levied on the consumption of goods and services. Tax is a mandatory financial charge imposed by the government on income, property, goods, services, and transactions for raising public revenue. Taxes are important because they help the government provide public services, reduce inequality, promote economic development, maintain law and order. Objectives: to generate income for government expenditure, to redistribute wealth through progressive taxation, to finance development projects and infrastructure, to control inflation and regulate demand. Direct tax. Direct taxes are taxes imposed directly on the income or wealth of individuals and organizations. Paid directly by an individual or organization to the imposing entity, generally government. A direct tax cannot be shifted to another individual or entity. These are primarily administered by the Central Board of Direct Taxes, CBDT. Example: if a person pays income tax on salary, the burden remains on that person only. Features: higher income groups pay higher taxes. The taxpayer himself pays the tax directly to the government. Tax liability depends on income and financial capacity. Types of direct tax. Income tax. Income tax is imposed on the income earned by individuals, Hindu undivided families, HUFs, firms, and other entities. It is generally progressive, meaning the tax rate increases as income increases. Corporate tax. Corporate tax is imposed on the profits earned by companies and corporations. Capital gains tax imposed on the profit earned from the sale or transfer of capital assets, such as real estate, gold, or shares. It is classified as either short-term or long-term depending on the holding period. Securities transaction tax, STT, a direct tax levied on the purchase or sale of securities, like shares and derivatives, traded on recognized stock exchanges in India. Indirect tax. Indirect taxes are taxes imposed on goods and services rather than directly on income. Indirect taxes are levied on goods and services, meaning the liability to pay the tax falls on the seller, but the burden is ultimately passed on to the end consumer. These are primarily administered by the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, CBIC. Example: when a consumer buys goods and pays GST, the tax burden is ultimately borne by the consumer. Features: indirect taxes are included in the selling price of goods and services. Collected at the time of production or sale. Taxes collected by sellers but paid by consumers. Types of indirect tax. Goods and service tax. GST is a comprehensive indirect tax introduced in 2017. The primary indirect tax in India, which subsumed most previous indirect taxes, like VAT, sales tax, and service tax. It is a destination-based consumption tax governed by the GST Council and features a dual structure, CGST or SGST, levied concurrently by the central and state governments on intrastate supplies. IGST, levied by the central government on interstate supplies and imports. Customs duty tax imposed on import and export of goods. It is designed to protect domestic industries and regulate foreign trade. Excise duty, while mostly subsumed by GST, it remains applicable to specific petroleum products and alcoholic liquors for human consumption. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights. See you in the next one.